What if I told you that you could build and launch a super high quality multi-page website completely for free in under 30 minutes with zero coding experience? No templates, no drag and drop builders, just you and the AI. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that using Claude, Anthropic's AI, step by step. And by the end of this video, you will have a live website for yourself that's actually publicly visible. Let's get into it. Okay, so before we jump in, let me explain why this is kind of a big deal. Traditionally, if you wanted a website, you had a few options. You could learn to code HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which takes months. Or you could hire a developer, which costs hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Or you could use a website builder like Wix or Squarespace, which are great, but they come with monthly fees and they limit what you can customize. But now with AI, you can literally describe what you want and have it built for you. And the best part is, you don't need to understand a single line of code to make this happen. I'm going to use Claude for this, and I'll show you two ways you can approach it depending on what works best for you. First thing first, you need to know what you're building, and this doesn't have to be complicated. Maybe you just want a simple portfolio site to showcase your work. Maybe you're a small business owner who needs a landing page, or maybe you just want a personal site like your digital business card. For this tutorial, let's say we are building a personal portfolio website for a freelance photographer. We want a clean, modern look with a homepage, an about section, a photo gallery, and a contact section. Simple but professional. Got your idea? Good. Let's now build it. Now, here's where the magic happens. Head over to claude.ai. You can use the free plan for this, by the way. Start a new conversation and give Claude a clear, detailed prompt. And the more specific you are, the better your result is going to be. Here's the kind of prompt that works well. Create a complete single-page portfolio website for a freelance photographer named Gautam. I want a modern, minimal design with a dark theme. Include these sections: a hero section with a large headline and a short tagline, an about me section, a photo gallery grid with placeholder images, and a content section with a simple form. Use HTML and CSS only, all in one file. Make it mobile responsive too. Once you send that, Claude is going to generate the entire HTML and CSS code for your website. And if you're using Claude on the web, you'll actually see a live preview of your website right there in the chat, which is amazing because you can see exactly what it looks like before you do anything else. Now, take a look at the preview. Does it match what you had in mind? If not, this is the fun part. You can just tell Claude what to change. This is where a lot of people don't realize how powerful AI is for this. You're not stuck with whatever it gives you the first time. You can have a full conversation and keep refining. Try prompts like make the hero section taller and add a background image placeholder, or change the color scheme to warm earth tones. Think terracotta and cream, or add smooth scroll animations when clicking the navigation links. You can even say add a testimonial section between the gallery and the contact form with 3 client codes. Claude will update the code and you will see the changes reflect in the preview. This back and forth is basically like having a web developer on call who works instantly and never gets annoyed with your revision requests. Keep going until you're happy with how everything looks, and don't rush this part. The whole point is that the iteration is free and fast. Step 4, download your website file. Once you're happy with the design, you need to get the actual file. If Claude created an artifact with the preview, you can click the download button to save it as an HTML file. If you use the chat and got the raw code, just copy all the code, open any text editor on your computer, Notes on Mac, Notepad on Windows, paste the code in and save it as index.html. Make sure it ends in .html and not in .text. Now, double click that file on your computer and it should open in your web browser. That's your website running locally on your machine. Pretty cool, right? Alright, now the big moment. Let's get this thing live on the internet. We are going to use GitHub Pages, which is completely free. Step 1, go to github.com and create a free account if you don't already have one. Just sign up with your email. Step 2, once you're logged in, click the plus icon in the top right and select New Repository. Name it something like My Portfolio or whatever you want. Make sure it's set to public and check the box that says Add a README file. Then click Create Repository. Step 3, now you're on repository page. Click Add File and then Upload Files. Drag your index.html file right in there. Scroll down and click Commit Changes. Step 4, go to Settings. It's a tab at the top of your repository. Scroll down in the left sidebar to Pages. Under Source, select Deploy from a branch. Choose Main as the branch and Root as the folder. Click Save. Give it a minute or two and GitHub will give you a live URL. It'll look something like this. And that's it. Your website is live. Anyone with that link can visit it. Now your website is live and that's amazing. But if you want to take it to the next level, here are a couple of optional things that you can do. First, you can get a custom domain. You can buy a domain name from somewhere like Namecheap or Google Domains for about $10 or $12 a year. Then you can connect it to your GitHub page site. So instead of that long GitHub URL, people go with something like gautamphotography.com. Second, you can keep improving your site over time. If you want to add blog section, ask Claude. Need to update your gallery? Just edit the HTML file, upload new version to GitHub, and it updates automatically. And here's a pro tip. You can even ask Claude to add things like a dark mode toggle, animated transitions, or an image light box for the gallery, all with simple conversational prompts. Okay, let's do a quick recap of everything we covered. Step 1, decide what your website is about. Step 2, use Claude to generate the full website code. Step 3, refine and customize through conversation. Step 4, download your HTML file. Step 5, deploy it free with GitHub Pages. And Step 6, optional upgrades like a custom domain. And the total cost, $0. The total time, honestly, under 30 minutes once you get the hang of it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe because I make videos like this every week showing you how to use technology to make your life easier. And drop a comment below. I want to know what kind of websites you're going to build, maybe a portfolio, a business page, or something totally different. Do let me know. I'll see you in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.